Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to REALME C30. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both smartphones and download this app from this developer, Send Anywhere. Now you need to tap on Open and select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, choose Receive on your REALME and Send on Motorola. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots on your Motorola smartphone and choose Send. This way you will be able to select all of your files that you wish to send and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now though, so I will go into Photos, click on maybe this one, choose Send and tap on. So REALME click, choose Send over here and tap on Got it. Now on REALME, tap on Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, you can always do that by selecting this scanning icon on REALME, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing your camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!